Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 1.6, the alchemy of nature. Alchemy of nature. See, it is a very inspiring lesson, which is the means that writer describe here her experience with the different features. Means she experience writer Raksha Varadia. She describe her experience with the different feature of nature, and it is really a wonderful lesson related to nature. Okay, means that how the nature teaches us many things. Means we are learning many things from nature. Means writer also, she also means experience of nature, and means what she learn in her life from nature. She described in this lesson with the different example. Okay, now before going to learn this thing, what lesson means warming up question. What is the meaning of alchemy? Alchemy means magic. Alchemy means magic. Means magic of nature. Okay, magic of nature. So it is very inspiring lesson that we are going to learn. Now before going to learn warming up question, see question number 1. Rearrange the good qualities in each set so that the first letter of each of the words should make a meaningful word. Means each of letter C. Means here are given some sets. From this set you have to make the means meaningful word. Join the set and get message, and then join this. From this 4 set you have to join, and what message we get from this you have to see. Okay, first now set C. Understanding, adaptable, tolerant, neat, encouraging, resourceful. Okay, means see first word we are writing here neat. Okay, then adaptable. Neat, adaptable, tolerant. Okay, tolerant, then understanding, and then resourceful, and then last is encouraging. Okay, means what word we get here? Nature. Okay, nature. Then selfless, inspiring. First we are writing there inspiring, and then selfless means is. Is. Okay, the word is. Then next is youthful, modest. M and Y. Modest first and then youthful. My. Nature is my. Okay, and last affectionate, compassionate, emphatic, honest, reliable, and trustworthy. Then what we get here? T, trustworthy. Okay, earnest. Then earnest, T-E. Then next word is C, compassionate. Then honest. Okay. Then E, emphatic, and last is R, reliable, means teacher. We get here word teacher, Teacher. Okay, Te affectionate is remaining, means Teacher. Means what message we get here? Nature is my best teacher. Nature is my best teacher. Then question number 2. Various aspects of nature have special features that makes them differ from one another. For example, see birds. Means birds, how that birds means appearance of birds, shape of bird, because their bird shape is all the bird shape is different. Color, size, then food habits, and habitant, sound, etc. Means these are all birds. Their different appearance, their different shape, different color, size, different. Their food habits are different. All things are different. That where means various aspects. These are the special feature of each birds. Okay, now write such special features of each of the following. For example, first is land. Land means we can write the colors. Okay, color of land, then shape, different shape, appearance, then fertility, geographical features. Okay, fertility, geographical features. These are the means special feature of land. Then water, various water bodies, various water bodies. Okay, because for example, river, pond, lake, whale, dam. These are the various, because each of these water bodies, these are size are different. Okay, then some, for example, sea water, it is salty, then whale water or other water, river, which is sweet water. Okay, means sweet water, salt water, colors, means uh, uh, according to soil of the means color of water. Then which rocks are there? Okay, variety of means variety of water. Okay, then trees. Next is tree, different heights tree, different shapes tree, different leaves tree, different color during the season, fruits, different flowers, medicinal use, climate. Then next is animal. Shapes, different like a bird, means different shapes, size, colors, different wild animal, domestic animal, their uses. And then next is insects, last one. Means shape, size, colors. Okay, different shape, different size, color, different colors, different variety, different number of legs, different habitat, sounds. All these things are different. Now last question, see everyone. Make a list of living creature in the alphabetical order. You can write more than one beginning with the same letter. We can write more, but now we are saying one word of each. A for anaconda, B butterfly, C crab, D dog, E elephant, F fish or frog, G goat, H horse, I iguana, then J jellyfish, K kangaroo, L lion, M monkey, N nilga, N nighthawk, O ostrich, P penguin, parrot, Q quail, okay, R rooster, S sheep, T tiger, V U it is umbrella cockabo, okay, means it is a type of animal. V whale not vulture, W whale, Y yak, and Z zebra. Like this way we can write. Okay, like this way. These are the means related question to the lesson. Tomorrow we will learn the means we will start the lesson Alchemy of Nature. Thank you.